When I was 19, I was working in fast food and was notified of a job opportunity at a manufacturing facility. It paid better, had benefits, so I gave it a try. I loved it. I worked there for 11 years before the facility moved to Mexico. After they moved, I decided I wanted to stay in manufacturing, but I wanted to do something else. So I went back to school for environmental health and safety. Safety observations, safety audits, just keeping people safe every day, making conversations with people to make sure that they get what they need.
When I was 19, I was a bartender at my family's local bar, and I decided that when I started having kids that I wanted a better life for them, and there was a manufacturing position offered to me, and it offered full-time benefits, 401k, profit sharing, so I decided to pursue that route and to see what manufacturing had to offer. So for the quality manager for Metform, it's kind of the same in every industry. You work on new product development, PPAPs, certifying new product, customer issues, and internal specification and standards for the company to function by. I started on the floor in line production in manufacturing, and I moved up to be a quality auditor. And then for the company I worked for 10 years, I developed the standardized work, the specifications, worked on blueprints, worked my way up working under engineering and the engineering manager at my last facility. I became certified in all IATF and ISO audits. I took the certification classes for that. And then I worked my way up through the floor and through different promotions and understood the different manufacturing backgrounds of what a quality aspect was for the company.
Some advice I would give is there are so many different types of jobs in manufacturing. You're just going to have to find the one that you like to do. I just love helping people. In my position, I can help people every day. Okay, what I do here at Metform is not necessarily on the production floor. I do have an office job that I can interact with people on the production floor. So there's many different things you can do.
When always push through. So sometimes females think that they can't do it just because it is mainly male percentages in the corporations, but always insert yourself, learn as much as you can, adapt to what is being taught to you, and try to always come with new suggestions on your own to make you stick out so it's looked upon better by the company. I love manufacturing because it's an ongoing industry. No matter what industry you look for, there's always continuous improvements happening, new projects coming out, different advancements in all the industries, so you're always learning new things.